So today I am in Norwich town and I came to the seaport, or the waterfront rather. It is beautiful out here. I am just here for a walk and a look-see, see what's here. So let's take a look.
You have arrived.
So today I am checking out the seaport town of Norwich, Connecticut. This looks lovely so far. I just passed the port, but I was in traffic, so I could not stop to make a video. But this looks so stunning. Let us see what else seaport has. Let us see what Norwich has first. I'm checking out a seaport town, which is Norwich, Connecticut. I don't know where I'm going. I am just driving. I'm at a circle now. Let's go around it. Google said I have arrived. Arrived where? Where do I find the touristy area? I want to go eat some lobster bisque. I'm gonna have some lobster bisque. And I've never had a lobster roll anywhere. I was trying to go to Maine to have lobster roll for the first time, but I'm sure I can wait. All right, so where do I go from here? We'll see. Let's go up this hill and see what's up here. So this is downtown in Norwich. I think it's the downtown because I asked Google for Main Street. I guess I'm leaving the downtown now. I'm going to try to turn left. How do I get to the seaport side? I don't know, but I'll figure it out. So waterfront, not exactly a boardwalk. Of course, the breeze is quite cool. The sun is out today, lovely. It's not stunting like the other days. It's definitely not 150 degrees today. The Antilles, look at her. I should get a picture right here. Let me just get a picture quickly. Look! So many of them. Man and his son are fishing. Sitting leisurely on the dock. Nice. How do I get to the other side? I think this chicken knows how to get to the other side, so I guess I could figure it out. So here we are again. We're back on the path. Let me do one of these sideways. Wow. Close up. Wicked music. What's over here? And what's over there? Where is it? There. Let us enjoy this quiet stroll. You can pause it and read it if you like. I need a pic. Oh, I could go down to the water. Look. Let me just hold on to my phone. Should I turn it this way? I don't ask me, I'm scared. I love the water, but I'm scared. You're funny. I'll this so. I now walk out this so. I can walk out this so and then turn up on the other one, but I'm afraid. Me who's afraid of nothing. Come back up here, so sir. I And I'm gonna wear there. Them water are too dark for me. Okay, so I have walked the length of the waterfront and now I'm going back to my car. So I am getting out of town and I'm just driving through here.
In 800 feet, turn left onto Golden Street.
Thanks, Google.
Turn left onto Golden Street.
Thanks, Google. Why don't you just talk in my video for me?
In 800 feet, turn right onto Convent Avenue.
Okay, Google. So this town that we are in feels like a real seaport town. You know it because you see the Cape Cod houses and the streets are very narrow and of course the seaport. People walk everywhere in this town. People are so cliche though. They're always wearing navy blue and white in a seaport town. Am I gonna be the nanny named Fran wearing red when everybody else is wearing tan? Because I'm wearing yellow. Everybody is just navy blue and white, navy blue and white. Oh, so cliche. This is cute and quaint though. I'm messing up the video, but very cute, very quaint, lovely. I love this town. Now parking is going to cost me an arm and a leg because this one I have visited before. And you know it's a seaport town because everything is nautical themed. So you have the Island Pursuit, you have the Mariner. You see, what does that say? Sea bags, Mystic Army, Navy. So a lot of things are nautical themed in here. Parking is going to be a beast. Here you go, public parking, credit card only. Let's see if I can park there. It's about $7 something to park, so let's call it $8 to park, and the minimum is 3 hours. See if they have any spots. So there is parking available. This blouse won't stop trying to expose me. So he's just taking the card and he's at the machine. I'll get it back in a few, and then there's parking ahead. So there's some spots over there. So I am now parked. I am good until 8. This thing is trying to expose me. I hope I'll be back before 8 because if it's after 8, I have to pay again. Of course, I'm sure I'm gonna pay a whole $7 or $8. It's 7 something, even though I haven't done a whole hour. But isn't this a beautiful town? Let's go this way. There's a pastry shop over here because I've actually been here before. There's a pastry shop somewhere over here, but I feel for real food though. And then the famous Mystic Pizza is over there. Trying to not get these people in my video. Just really a wide shot. Look how beautiful this is. I look for beauty everywhere. Even the signpost looks pretty. I've been to the Mystic Pizza shop, had a pizza there. This one I wanted to come to, didn't go to. But let us stop by the pastry shop over here. I don't think I want pastry though. I want real food. So this is a real seaport town. The other one, it wasn't giving. Maybe I didn't see all there was to see, but it wasn't giving. There's a line to go in this one. You know who's not lining up for food. So I'm just gonna look up the road and then turn around because I am not getting on that line. I've eaten there before, so I guess I can just go back down the street. I just saw this juice shop and I decided to stop in, and I think I'm going to get, okay, you can't see it, but I'm going to get a glow juice, which is the carrot, orange, pineapple and turmeric. Has turmeric, it can't be bad. So I'm getting a glow juice, set me about $9. Damn well better make me glow up right away, look like Beyonce or somebody. I'm kidding, I'm me. I'm talking crazy. Me too. I did buy it because it matched my outfit.
Oh, okay.
Tastes real good. But like I said, I better glow up right away for $9. Shoot. I could drink one of these every day. This store is cute. What is it with this damn black dog brand? Why do people go so crazy for it? People are going crazy for it in Nantucket. Look at it. Now I'm seeing a crowd here and I'm wondering, what is it about? And then I heard somebody say black dog. I don't think I'm getting a black dog t-shirt. I'm not a bandwagonist. Yeah, no, I'm not getting it. Okay, let's think about it. So the black dog brand is apparently very famous. I hadn't heard of it until I went to Nantucket the other day. My friend had heard of it. She has bought one. I don't know. Well, this one is going for $10. Maybe it is that you can't live in Connecticut or New England without owning a black dog something. Oh, this one is tiny and cute. So tiny. That one is $5. Oh, this is cute. The Black Dog Martha's Vineyard. Okay. This one is $15. This is actually the Black Dog General Store. Let me think about it. I don't think I care about black dog enough to buy one. I would only buy it just because apparently, well, not apparently, I think when I was in Martha's Vineyard, the guy was telling us it's the most famous brand anywhere in the world. I don't know if that's true. It must be, but is that a reason for me to buy it? I don't know. All right, so I'm trying not to record everyone, so I'm going to keep the camera on myself as I walk around. Nope, that's not going to work. Well, if I turn it this way, yep. This is just exposing me though. Stop showing myself. All right, so oh, ice cream. I guess I have to finish it before I have my ice cream. But enough of me. Oh, I thought it was another black dog. It's a rocking horse apparently. I came here in fall and I was able to go all the way down, but right now, well, you can get sail away ticket here. Begins 30 minutes before departure. Okay, but what if I just wanted to walk down there like I did before? Could I just walk down? Let me find out. I have been all the way down there before. Are we allowed to go there now? Look at this lovely boat. Okay, let me just go down and see. I was here before. I went all the way down. This is a real seaport town. There's a man over there kayaking. So it says. All right, so I guess it stops here. We'll turn around and go back. Thank you. But it's beautiful though. I think after you cross the bridge, there's not much to see except the boardwalk on that side, which I'll do. Beyond that point where I stopped, it's condos, so I'd be walking in somebody's backyard. These people are waiting for the boat ride, I guess. My sister's going on a boat ride, I think, on Monday. I think I might surprise her and turn up there. This is a famous bridge out here. I'm not a history buff, so I couldn't tell you anything about it. Okay, no, I don't want my phone to fall in the water. Let's turn it this way. And over there is lovely. I've been over there as well. But let us go down on the boardwalk. But there's a lot of people right here. So I'm going to turn the camera on myself because there's no way to record without catching everyone in it. So I'm just walking down on the boardwalk. I'm passing the candy shop. This is good. And it has a lot of fiber in it too. Now I'm on the other side. That's where I was before, on that side of the boardwalk. Now I'm on this side. Okay, let me just sit here and collect myself for a minute. Okay, so I want a picture or video here. Who's gonna record it for me? Guess I gotta do it my dang self. So the light is better this way. All right, let's see. Okay, so today I am checking out seaport towns in Connecticut. The first one I went to was Norwich, and I'm gonna give it a 3 out of 10 because I didn't see much. Could be my fault because I don't know how to use a map, so I just drove up, looked around, didn't see anything. I just saw the waterfront, and then I left. But now I'm in Mystic. Gorgeous. It's my 3rd time in Mystic, and so this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing skin. Cute little top. These pants I bought from Forever 21, maybe 21 years ago. Worn them once and I've never worn them again. Love them though. Proper belly bottoms and this. And that's it. That's my OOTD for, where did I say I am? Mystic. I'm on the waterfront. On this lovely boardwalk. So that's it. I'm going to be making a full video on YouTube of my tour all around Mystic. It's going to be totally random. I'm not editing anything. I'm just chopping together bits and pieces, some horizontal, some vertical, but it is what it is. All right. Thanks for watching. Okay, so there's a lot more to see in Mystic. You're just gonna have to come and see it because I can't record all of it. But if you want a river cruise, this is the place to come. Oh, there's a boat pulling out. There she goes. Let's see if we can catch it. There she goes. Would have been a sunset cruise if the sun was still out. Aw, no sunset cruise for them. So if you want a 30-minute cruise over here, here are the prices. $36 for adults, 34 seniors, 32 youth, 26 children, and free for under 3. Trip times. But I won't do my river cruise up here. I'll do it somewhere else. And right here on the banks of a river, a lovely restaurant. Now I could just sit here all day and just look out at the water. You already know me. Slow life is my life. Hashtag slow life. Up. I heard all the alarms going off and I was like, yep, it's time. It is. Oh, hold on. Then now where them 2 giant rock stone there go. These giant blocks of concrete. Looks like it's about to knock that house over. This little tiny boat couldn't come under the bridge? Seriously? You need a whole bridge to open for you to come through, Tiny Tim? Look at it. And then look at the little tiny one behind it. This one is cute. So the whole town had to come to a standstill for these tiny ass boats. Look at them. Oh, look at them. It's a whole bunch of them. Cute. I think this big one is that one. Where is she? Did she go through? Oh, there she is. The sun isn't out, but it's still a lovely day. People are having the time of their lives out here. Oh wow, this is, yeah, in my pictures is not doing this place justice, just so you know, because even down here, beautiful, but my pictures not doing it justice. and it's coming back down. Well, I did see this for the first time in Curacao, but when I lived in New York, there was actually a drawbridge. 2 drawbridges were near me on the highway. So yeah, it held me up several times. Not so fun when you're in traffic, but you know, if you've never seen a bridge open up, this is what it looks like. I saw another bridge open up when I was in Scotland. We went to the Loch Ness. Oh my God, that took forever. We were standing there, we saw no bridge coming through, no boat coming through, but they also had a thing that stopped the water. I can't explain it. If I have the video, I'll show it. But cool. But I'm not gonna stand here and watch paint dry and kill my battery. So this is what it looks like. Since the girls gotta eat, how about we check out the S&P Oyster Restaurant and Bar. 15 minutes wait. Okay. I saw this lovely table from over there, and I thought this 2-seater would be perfect for me. And here I was on the outside looking in. Now I'm on the inside looking out. Because you gotta eat, why not eat somewhere beautiful and on the waterfront? And my entree, swordfish with blackened risotto. Nothing for now, thank you. You grab everything you need. This would just be a meal until it's so good. It's really good. That's our swordfish. It has a little crunch. It has just enough spice. The side of it is tender and it is flavorful without being overpowering. So this is where I'm eating. I can't. Oh, the bridge is about to open again. So I'm having swordfish with blackened rice risotto. I'm covering the camera. I'm having swordfish with blackened rice risotto. I'm drinking water. I had that carrot juice earlier, so I don't think I want to have any more juice. I'm gonna have water with it. And did I say swordfish? And so this is the place that I was taking the pictures right over there. So now I am on the inside looking out, and it's beautiful. Right on the water. The bridge is about to open, I think. Alright, so I am done eating. I am thoroughly full. Now I'm gonna have ice cream. Thank you. Thank you. So we're done having our dinner at that place, whatever that says. And now we're going to have dessert, which is going to be ice cream, which I'm not supposed to have. But look how pretty this thing is. It is now almost 7 p.m. This thing is pretty. Oh, this one is even prettier. You know you're in a seaport town, right? Is that a bass? A giant bass? I didn't even get to go up here. What I did go there the other day. They have a lovely telescope right there. But I don't want to see the stars tonight. I'm going to go have ice cream and go back to the car. I have until 8. So I have 1 hour to get ice cream and go back to the car. And then I have an hour drive home. That's where I had dinner, right on the water's edge. Lovely. Okay, let us do this. So we just had dinner there on the water. And now we are going to have the forbidden fruit ice cream, because I know what dairy is going to do to my sinuses. Too much dairy breaks up my face. I'll be coughing all night and not be able to sleep. But I'm having ice cream anyway. It is my guilty pleasure. Can't resist. And who can resist a good old ice cream shop? Mystic Drawbridge ice cream. Okay. Darn it, this is the exit. Okay, there's a line for the ice cream. It is a mile long. Forget it, it's 2 miles long. It is outside and around the building. We love ice cream. Oh, you know, we eat ice cream all the time, so we're not gonna wait that long. We're gonna try the one across the street. This is so uncool though. Why does one ice cream shop have a line around the building and then this one has me? Okay, so I got my ice cream, and for the first time I am going to remember the flavor. It is maple walnut, the one I had that long time I was trying to remember. So it is very good. So I don't know why everybody's at the other one. This is so good. Or am I just partial to ice cream? Anyway, this is the end of my day in Mystic. I am going back to the car now, and I'm going to drive 1 hour home. If I could find the car. Where did I park? Let's have one last look at Mystic. One last look at Mystic. It's less crowded now. It is late, but it is still beautiful. I love this place because their flowers are so pretty. The bridge is opening again. If you are in Connecticut, if you have to go to one place in Connecticut, Mystic should be it. Mystic should be it. So anyway, this is Gail signing off in Mystic, Connecticut. Next time, I'm not going to say next week. Next time, I'm going to go to 2 more seaport towns, but I don't think anything can beat Mystic. Anyway, thanks for watching.